Today we're going to look at the Smart Food Captain Crunch Berries popcorn mix, limited time flavor. I think it's like a new flavor. I think it is. I'm not sure. I saw this today. Let me get this open up. That's what it looks like inside. Let's get one of the berries and the popcorn. Let's see. That's really good. It's a good flavor though. I think this is a good idea for the Smart Food Company, the one that has the popcorn stuff. I think it's a good thing that they're doing this like a limited time flavor, like a limited time only and stuff. It's really good. It's really good. I like the packaging on it. It's really cool. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe.